Hello, it's Kalen Langley again. ECE 275 Digital Design. This is Lab 3. This first video, we're going to be walking through the Wokwi portion for these problems to verify if F1 and F2 are equivalent and F3 and F4. After going through the truth table, got over here on this Excel page, we determined that F1 and F2 are not equivalent. Pretty much immediately, row 1, 1, 0, they're not equal. And then F3 and 4, which will be on the second portion of this video, we determined that they were equivalent. So we're going to be checking all the different sequences of A, B, and C, and watch the outputs and make sure they're firing right. So we're going to start with all off, as you can see here, A, B, C, D, red, orange, blue, and pink. And then I have F1 and F2 in this top row. Here's F1, and then here's F2. And then later we'll be checking these for F3 and F4. So with them all being zeros, F1 should be on and F2 should be off, as we can see. We're going to go ahead and turn D on. All right, so F1's off, F2 is on. And then we're going to proceed to D is off, C is on. They're both on F1 and 2. We can see here, that's correct. Now C and D, 0, 1. We can see over there on the left that that's true. And then we're going to go to B, and F1 is on, F2 is off. Now B and D. F1 is off, F2 is on. Now B and C. They're both on for F1 and F2. So B, C, D now. They should both stay on, and they did. Now we're going to go to A. So 1 and 1 for F1 and F2. Now A and D, they stayed on 1 and 1. A and C, they stayed on 1 and 1. A, C, D, now they changed. F1 is 0, F2 is 1. And then we're going to go to A and B. F1 is 1, F2 is 0. Now A, B, D. F1 should turn off. They should flip-flop. And they did. Now we're going to go A, B, C. 1 and 0, they flip-flopped again. And A, B, D, they should both turn on. Yep, looks good. Now we're going to go ahead and check F3 and F4. So let me hide some of these columns to make it a little easier to see. Let's go ahead and turn them all off. All off for F3 and F4, they're both on. D, zeros. C, zeros. C and D, zeros. B, 1 and 1 for F3 and 4. We can see that's true. B and D, 1 and 1 again. And then the B and C, they should turn off. They did. So B, C, D, they should stay off. As we can see, they did as well. So we have B, C, and D, they're both off. Now we're going to go to A. They're on. Now A and D, they're still on. Now A and C. Oh, I lost myself here, so we're going to back up a little bit. So we have A, they're 3 and 4 are on. A and D, they're on. A and C, they're on. A, C, and D, they turn off. And then we have A and B, they're on. A, B, D, F3 and F4 are on. Now A, B, C, they should stay on. They do. Now A, B, D, and they're both on.